we doing, boys? What are we doing? Oh, it's a long walk. Maybe it's worth it. Let's catch something big. Put in the extra work, might get rewarded. See what happens. We just put in that extra work. Yes, sir. Getting in here is gonna be dumb. Let's try those over there. Yep, over here looks a lot better. Yep, I can do this. What's up, you fuckers? Let's go hole a little bit. Sun is setting. I just wanted one nice little quick holo sesh, but I ended up just traveling. So I guess taco is bait. Smoking pink, not the best, but we try them. Oh, crabs all over. I think we could set up over here. Okay, let's see. Wow, just 1, 2, 3. Got the pole holders. Damn, it's all deep on that side. Okay, anyways, sun is setting, so I'm gonna get the poles set up and let's get some bait in the water. Okay, so I'm gonna set up all my poles. See you guys in a bit. All right, boys, let's go catch some live bait. Live bait. Okay, boys, let's go. This is gonna be where we walk down from. Don't need the phone right now. Got the phone right there. Woo! Oh, this is gonna be fun. Oh, if I hook up to something, this is gonna be fun. No bites. Odd. Oh. Yes, sir. Kupipi, perfect. 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 Boys, it can't get any more perfect than that. Kupipi, baby. Perfect. Oh, shit. Perfect. We got live bait. Wow, that is going good. Perfect. We got live bait, boys. We got live bait. Simple as that. And it's Kupipi. I heard that it's a good bait, so let me go get the bucket. Let's get them in water. And let's go send out this. Let's go send out our slide. Go pee pee. Let's go. Things are going well. Pond's right here. Yes. Okay, do we got some rub line? Yeah, we got rub line, baby. Okay, where is my handy dandy nail clippers? Please tell me I brought them. Oh, yeah. Yes. Let's go, boys. Oh, sun is getting low. Let's go. Now we just need the. Oh, tell me how we get the lead. No way. I'll say that now. We get lead. We get lead. We get lead, boys. And do we have? Oh, we get the lead line. One whole arm span. Boys, let's get this going. Send out the slide. Woo! Here goes nothing. Here goes nothing. I love that sound. Oh. That's kind of long. We make do. Oh, almost slipped. This the spot right here. What the hell is that? I swear, oh, this big ass typhoon. All about the footing. Free spoon. Yes, sir. No bird nest. Oh, but oh, we low on line. Holy shit! Something whack this. It's done. Whoa! I never realized how low I was on line. Whoa! Damn! Pole holder. Oh my goodness! Something like this is gone. Oh my god, I'm almost spooled already. Oh, this is not gonna go well. Fuck, we just crank down on the drag. Oh, holy shit. Okay, boys, let's go get that pee-pee out. Oh, just the one, boys. Look at that. Just the one. Let's go. Oh, I get my gloves too. No way. Got my gloves. I got everything. Yes, sir. Gotta love when things just play out. Brother said, boom. More towards the back. There we go. That way when you're running away, it's facing down. Woo, lively. Let's go. Let's go. Ow! Oh, fuck. Shit, I should probably go down there. All part of learning. All part of learning. Whoa! Oh, shit. Okay, boys, that's about it. Not bad. This one went off. Tell me something on already. Oh. Oh, boys, we on. Oh, boys, I think we on. Oh, we on, boys. Boys, we on. Oh. Oh, boys, we on. Whoa, boys, we on. Whoa, boys, we on. What the fuck? Did the head break? Of course. Oh. I can't fucking see. Oh, we on. I felt it go down. I think I should go down. Fight him on the edge. I think. Oh, damn, boys. Got him. Got him. Did it get off? Oh. Oh. Oh yeah, he's on. Ooh. Oh. He's on, boys. He's on. Oh, look at that. Oh yes, sir, boys. Damn, he's not turning around. He's heavy. Come on, bruh. It's like pinned down or something. Damn, I don't know what to do, boys. Damn! What the hell? I don't know what to do. It's stuck. Must be on a reef or something. Maybe if I give it some slack. I'm gonna give it some slack because I don't know what to do. I feel him. Oh, 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 fuck! It got loose. Oh, sharky boy, sharky boy, shark cuz. I gotta get that hook out of his mouth. Oh, look at all this vinyl. Whoa! Dang. Gotta get this guy back out. Oh. I gotta get him all the way over there. But I don't want to get bit. Oh, my heart pumping. Okay, boys, not what we wanted. Not our lure, but good practice. We're getting closer. Nice little white tip. Got him back in the water. We're getting closer, boys. Okay, so I caught that shark at Makua Cave all the way to the left, right? So if you go all the way to the left, you follow that trail or whatever, there's like this big ass reef, and then it kind of comes down and it kind of goes further out, and there's like pole holders over there and all that. But anyways, I caught the shark over there. That was my first shark. And then I couldn't get the hook out because I was just kind of, it's my first shark, you know what I mean? I'm kind of new to this. But I just cut the line really close, and then at first I was trying to like pull him. I didn't know what to do, but I ended up grabbing his tail and I kind of whipped him in. I kind of whipped him to the water, and he kind of like hit himself on the reef first. You know what I mean? I kind of fucked up, honestly, but he kind of rolled in the water, and I seen him swim off. He was good after that, you know. So anyways, after that, I went to my pole. I already had one bait cast pole out. I was about to put on another taco on my second bait cast pole, and then I was putting the taco leg on, right? And then next thing you know, all I heard was, oh, like running right in front of me. Like, I swear to God, like it was like on the reef, and I heard that shit, and it ran. It sounded like it ran from the left side all the way to the right side. So I heard it, and I kind of looked up, and I could hear, oh, like, and I'm like, I have my headlight. I'm looking on the reef. I can't see shit. It's pitch black. I don't see nothing. And then, mind you, right then and there, I was like, holy fuck, dog. I was so scared after that. I was like shitting my pants, honestly. Like, not even lying. I was so scared. I was like, what the fuck was that noise? You know what I mean? And then, mind you, I got my poles all set up. I got my chair. I got all my tackle everywhere. And I just want to get the fuck out of there. You know what I mean? But I'm like, if you know where I was at, it's like deep. Like, I parked by the cave. I was deep all the way left. You know what I mean? And I have so much shit I had to go put away. And I was just looking everywhere to see what the hell that noise was, and I couldn't see nothing. It sounded like something was running on the reef, but I couldn't hear no splashes or nothing. I thought maybe it was a bomb or something, but like, I was there when the sun was about to set. There was nobody there. And then when I was shining the light on the reef, I was just there. I was just on the reef. I just threw the shark back. I came back to my pole, and I heard that fucking, oh, like, it was. Bro, I swear, I got so scared. And then I was just like, I just want to forget the fuck out of there. But I had to kind of like gather myself, grab everything, put all the bait away in the cooler, like grab all my poles, like take it all apart, rubber band it all, and grab my chair, and then, mind you, after that, I had the longest walk back to the truck at Makua Cave. And the whole time, I was just, like, looking over my shoulder, just tripping out, dog. Just, like, tripping out. Like, I was like, what the hell was that noise? But I think it was some fucking heebie-jeebie shit, though, honestly. Because, like, my friend's dad, he was telling me about that shit, too. He was, like, long time ago, he was telling me about, like, fishing at Makua Cave. And I was telling him how I'd stay overnight and all that. And he's telling me, too, like, oh, Makua Cave, like, oh, you know, get the heebie-jeebies over there. And I was like, oh, nah, no way. Like, it's all good over there, you know what I mean? And then even just recently, somebody left me a comment on YouTube, and they was kind of like telling me, like, oh, I dare you for go, like, turd dips late at night, blah, 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 you know what I mean? And just trying to imply, like, some crazy shit that goes on or whatever. But I was like, it's all good, you know what I mean? I've been to Moy Ho plenty times before. It's like, it's no biggie, you know what I mean? But, like, after hearing that shit, like, I don't know if I'm gonna be doing any solo missions like that deep, like by myself. Like, fuck that, dog. My heart was pumping. I was just tripping out. You just hearing that was crazy, but yeah, right.
That's just crazy how all that happened after the whole shark incident.
It happened right after the shark. Right after the shark.
And it's like, if anybody knows,
right after the shark.
Cave with the shark.
Makua Cave shark god. Right after the shark. I swear, something was fucking running right in front of me, though. Like, right in front. I was looking. I couldn't see it, but I could hear it. Oh, that's so nuts. I was like, what the fuck is going on right now? I was tripping, though. Yeah, so anyways, I don't know, did anybody ever have like anybody ever had kind of stories like that, or what? Or am I just tweaking or what? Fuck that, I'm not tweaking. I know what I heard, bro. I know what I heard, but that was the longest walk back to the truck. I promise you that. I was
any little movement of sound or anything wasn't.
Yeah, my zippers on my cooler backpack, and you know what I mean, my bells clinging in my bucket. Bro, it was fucking heavy, but I was like, I don't care. I'm going straight to the truck. Yeah, it was nuts. Like, it was nuts. But yeah, let me know if you guys have any of those crazy stories. Just let me know. Talk story like that. Alright, shoot. Okay, what's up, you fuckers? Okay, so in this video, I'm about to announce the winner of the Triple G to Get It Gang giveaway. Alright. So let me just do a real quick brief rundown of what this is. Okay, so if you guys watch my when I caught the Milu on the Limu YouTube video, at the end I explained how like I would really like to do these giveaways every single month, and I was like, if 100 people donated like $1, we could do these giveaways like every single month, right? And this is different from the subscribers giveaway. Like the subscribers giveaway, I do that every 1,000 subscribers, but sometimes it takes longer than a month. So I asked, with you guys help, we could get this possible, you know what I mean? So anyways, with that being said, I asked 100 people to donate $1. It didn't happen that way. I didn't get 100 people to donate. I didn't even get half of that. But what I did get, which kind of surprised me, was I got like 1, 2, 3 aims in my bank account. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got 11 people, but some of these guys donated like a lot. Like a couple of guys sent $100. You know what I mean? Some people sent 50, and then even the people that donated $1, like, I really appreciate it. You know what I mean? Like, you did what I asked. At the end of the day, thank you very much. You know what I mean? I really appreciate that. So with that being said, we ended up coming up with $373, right? Okay, so anyways, with that being said, I went on YouTube, I made a post, I asked what everybody wanted, and a lot of people left comments saying like a rod and reel would be pretty killer. You know what I mean? So that's what they said they wanted, and then boom, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go Sam's Club, I'm gonna get the same rod and reel combo that I usually use. So bet. So we went to Sam's Club, we looked all over the place. Unfortunately, I don't know what happened, they had the loads before, but when we went to go and buy them, the thing was all sold out. The guy said,
oh, no more.
and then the guy said, oh, they should have another shipment coming in, but we didn't want to wait that long. You know what I mean? We wanted to hurry up and get this rolling. So with that being said, we went to West Marine, we looked around, we found pretty much the same rod and reel that I use. It was the Penn Fierce 3. So I was like, okay, bet. So we ended up picking it up, and then after that, boom, I made the post on Instagram. I asked everybody to enter the giveaway, follow the rules, all that, blah blah blah. So this next clip is us picking the winner. So stay tuned. What's up, you fuckers? Okay, so we're doing a giveaway right now. There's the rod and reel combo. There's all the tackle right there. So let's just get straight to business. Hold my rod real quick. Sorry. We're on common picker, something we always use. Okay, you guys ready?
Should have 1,285. Right there. 1,285.
Oh, it's 450?
Brother, filter, do the filter one. Do the filter. Do the filter duplicate one.
Do the filter. What you talking
Do the
about?
filter duplicate user.
There, now it's
Yeah,
happening.
that means
Wait,
filter
filter
duplicate
duplicate users.
That means it's gonna let it keep going.
Huh?
Well, you need 1,285 comments. If this reaches 1,000,
No, it's only 192. See, you don't know what it's saying. They're saying to filter the duplicates. That way, you cannot have duplicates. But we want duplicates. That's what people was fucking staying up all night, fucking just grinding, tagging people over and over. See, the thing is just acting up.
No, I don't ever.
They don't want to see you winning. Want to make in the penitentiary. Yeah, now we get the comments. This thing was acting up. It said only had 400 comments. This thing lied. Then
Yeah,
now
there
we
we
rolling. We just have to refresh the page. What's wrong with your old iPad? What is that?
There you
iPad
go.
first. Okay, so boom, finally we got it. We got all the comments. Okay, so you guys ready? Oh, you go do the honors. See if Auntie
My
Shay
first
gets some
time.
luck. Yeah, right there. Start.
Dun, 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 dun. Lonnie girl commented. Whoa!
808 Lonnie Girl. Okay, so Lonnie Girl is our winner.
Woo!
So we're
I'm
gonna.
a fat tuna.
Oh, you acting up. Oh, I'm the tuna now, huh? I just wanna hug your lips. How does the song go? Wanna make you feel lonely. Here, I gotta set my ring. Okay, so we're just gonna give her a quick call. If she doesn't answer, we just send a DM. Unks better not get nuts at me. This is just one giveaway. Sorry, we just send a DM. Go down in the DM and go down. Dude, that's my mom. Chill.
Fucker, you know more bait, bruh. Gotta pick on a bag shrimp.
No way, they can do it.
Who votes adding on bag shrimp, bruh? Fucking shrimp is $20. They like the shrimp too, bruh. You gotta give them the whole package.
What are you blabbing about? What? Go get the shrimp then. What you talking?
This fucking tuna idea, give me that time.
Oh, Clayton Bigsby.
Huh?
Clowning your own kind.
Clayton Bigsby? Hey, what's you want? Oh my god, you're so
What?
fucking commercial, bro.
What? What do you mean I'm so commercial? Oh, how's it?
Hey,
I don't know.
just called to let you know you won the giveaway.
It's so commercial. What?
Hey.
I say, hey, what's up? You
You
won
won the giveaway.
What do you like me say?
Dot.
What do you like me say?
Fucker.
Bro, usually when I DM, it's not like, hey, you won the giveaway. It's, hey, you like this for giveaway. Just kidding. What's up?
And this is the giveaway. We have a Penn Fierce. Oh, sorry, 2, 3. Oh. And all the tackle that this monkey used.
That I use for slay, because all I want to do is just slay. What is this? Sing along. Let me do what I do. Okay, so that's it for the giveaway.
I gotta pull them so more girls win. Yeah, get the fucking guys out of here. We're taking over the fishing. They can stick to their
Taking
diving.
over the fishing. I ever call on me one? I don't think so.
But I never try one.
Okay, so wait, what is I gonna say now? We'll do this again.
Congratulations, 808 Lonnie girl.
Okay, we'll do this again next month. We'll try.
Post your catch.
We'll try and do this every month, alright? Okay, next one I gonna pick up so we can get one of the boys to win, you know what I mean?
I'm
all about the
We're
boys.
gonna have these girls winning.
Okay,
girls slaying on the reef.
okay, so that's about it. Thank you everybody who participated. I'll see you guys on the next one. Love you, fuckers.